Very good evening to everyone. At the very outset, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the other cabinet ministers and officials for hosting this meeting today. We had different members of the different regional committees and senior officials from the state as well as the district levels today in this meeting. And a large number of decisions were taken today. We are happy to inform the people of both Assam and Meghalaya that after a very long drawn exercise, we are now on the verge of also finalizing the actual pillars and the post and the actual boundary lines in the first 6 areas of differences which we have signed the MOU in the presence of Honorable Home Minister, Government of India. And today in the meeting we have approved and given a green signal for the Ahin sector, where the survey has been conducted along with the Assam and the Meghalaya state officials. And we're happy to announce that the line has been finalized. And similarly, we have given instructions and decided today that the rest of the 5 areas of differences, again out of which 3 of them are very close to completion, but we have instructed and taken a decision that by 31st of December, all these 6 areas where the MOU had been signed in the first phase, the actual line and demarcation by the Survey of India, along with the officials of both the states, should be completed. So we have decided on that. So that is going to be a major decision and a major push. And we're happy that we have finally reached a conclusion. We have also discussed about the other areas of differences, and we are happy to inform that in 3 of the areas we are moving very fast and we'd like to resolve these issues. We will inform the press later about the areas, but 3 of the areas we are moving very aggressively, and we have taken a decision that both the regional committee should try and come to a conclusion at the earliest, and we are working hard on that. At the same time, we had a very detailed discussion, especially regarding the situation right now in Block 1 area, Khanduli PCR area. There is recent incidents of law and order out there and some incidents of some violence. So we have decided as both state governments that wherever the police forces from the respective state governments had been placed, we will ask the departments and the police to move back, and in areas where it is a area where the borders are there specifically, we will be asking the CRPF. Assam government will ask from their side in areas where the Assam police had put up some outpost, the CRPF to come in, a neutral force to come in, so that the people of the area, whether from Assam side or from Meghalaya side, will feel more comfortable. And at the same time, some decisions have been taken that certain armed police forces which have been placed in certain areas, if necessary, they will be also pulled back, and so that the confidence level goes up in the people. So certain areas, Assam will be pulling back, and certain areas from Meghalaya side will be pulling back our police forces. And this is being done to build up the confidence among the people. This is being done to send a positive message to the people. And as I said, neutral forces will come into those places, and that way we will ensure that there is no violence that is there. And at the same time, we have asked senior officials as well as the regional committee chairmen to visit the locations and ensure that whatever steps need to be taken to ensure that there is peace, those steps also will be taken from the both the state government side. At the same time, we have also decided that the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting Khanduli PCR area in the month of October, most likely after the pujas. So in the 4th week of October, our visit will be there. And As I said, we are continuously pushing, and I once again thank all the officials and the other ministers, as well as the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, for taking the initiative. And I'm sure that with all the efforts being put in, we will move towards a resolution which will be amicable and acceptable to both the states. Thank you very much.